Welcome to the Turfed Out podcast, where we talk about everything about artificial turf and maintenance, innovation, and how to keep your turf looking and performing its best. I'm Nick Ogilvy, and today we're going to dive into facts about cleaning and maintaining your artificial turf and why using the right products and tools can make all the difference. The truth about cleaning artificial turf is low maintenance, but it's not no maintenance. Over time, dust, pollen, leaves, pet waste, and bacteria can build up on your turf, as you may know. This doesn't just make it look dirty, it can cause odors and then also shorten your turf's lifespan and even create unhealthy surfaces for kids and pets. Most people are cleaning the turf the wrong way, meaning using harsh chemicals, power washers that can damage seams, the backing of the turf. Rakes and blowers only move debris around. This is why we created the Turf Animal and Turf Power Sweep, a complete turf care solution. Why our cleaning products are different. Turf Animal is Whole Foods compliant, eco-friendly, and made with food-grade ingredients. Eco-friendly and pet safe. Kids and pets can play immediately after cleaning. The Whole Foods ingredient compliant meets some of the strictest natural product standards. Then we have the effective odor control. Natural enzymes break down bacteria at the source. Natural cleaning protects your turf and keeps your space healthier and fresher. The science behind reducing static electricity. Artificial turf can generate static electricity, which attracts dust, debris, and makes pet hair stick. Leaves your turf looking unclean. The Turf Animal helps reduce the static, keeping your turf cleaner for longer. The benefits of the Turf Power Sweep. Think of your turf like outdoor carpet without grooming. Fibers mat down, debris settles in, turf won't last as long. The Turf Power Sweep is superior because it lifts and restores the fibers, removes debris effectively, protects your investment. Meanwhile, you've got the rakes that could tear fibers and pull out infill, not only mess up some seams, blowers only scatter the debris, and power washers, like I said before, they could damage the seams and shorten your turf life. While our system is superior, we combine the Turf Animal and Turf Power Sweep for the ultimate turf care system. Turf Animal keeps the turf fresh, odor-free, and safe, while the Turf Power Sweep keeps the turf looking new and lasting longer. This is about protecting your investment and enhancing curb appeal and creating a healthier outdoor space. If you have artificial turf or you maintain turf for your clients, the Turf Animal and the Turf Power Sweep are the tools you need. They're eco-friendly, safe, and effective, and designed by turf professionals. I have over 20 years in the artificial turf space. We know the industry. Protect your turf, keep it fresh, make it last. Thanks for listening to the Turfed Out podcast. I'm Nick Ogilvy. See you next time.